Here is my Lakewood P-25 box fan, made in 2007. Made in 2007. Here's the back of the motor. This is just a quick video, but as the Macmillan has a Macmillan motor. Anyways, without further ado, here's high. Whoops, redo that. We'll have to redo that again. Here's high speed. Medium speed. Back to medium, back to high, and off. Here's spin down. Okay. Right, here you go. And startup sound. Here's high speed. Medium speed. Low speed. Anyways, thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have one. Cheers!